This is Attorney Marjorie Bonelli, and today I'm going to talk about the engagement ring. A lot of people ask me what happens to the ring if we decide to call off the wedding. So it depends. The ring in Florida is considered a conditional gift. So there's an implied condition for that gift to become permanent. What's the condition? It's getting married. So if the parties decide to call off the wedding, if the giver is the one calling off the wedding, the receiver most likely will be able to keep the ring. Now, if the receiver is calling off the wedding, he or she will probably have to return the ring to the giver. So if you have any questions, these issues can get complicated. There's no specific statute regarding family heirlooms. A lot of these rings are passed from generation to generation. They have extreme sentimental value. That can be a huge problem. We always recommend including a clause on either a prenup or a postnup to address family heirlooms. But you can also, even if it's not a family heirloom, sometimes engagement rings can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, I've seen it all. So it's good to have a clause on the prenup or a postnup to address the situation. I always recommend talking to an attorney. Each case is different. Also, what happens to the ring after the marriage and the parties just decide to get divorced? Generally speaking, the ring is not part of equitable distribution. It's considered a premarital gift. Once the parties are married, that condition of the gift is lifted, so it becomes permanent, and the receiver is the one that's going to keep that ring. But that's basically it. That's the summary of Florida law regarding engagement rings. There are exceptions. Florida's a no-fault state, so it depends on the situation. Sometimes there are issues of being unfaithful or doing other things that would be really unjust for the person doing those things to keep the ring. It all depends. Sometimes it can be worked out through an agreement outside of court. So talk to an attorney. All my information is above on the bio. Thank you so much. Until the next video.